Introducing the ultimate all-purpose tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the Universal Multi-Angle Vise. This exceptional vise effortlessly adapts to any work surface, thanks to its integrated clamp, making it a must-have in any workshop. Weighing just 1.6 kilograms, it's incredibly portable, allowing for seamless transitions between work areas. With a clamping depth of 40 millimeters, it guarantees a firm grip on your projects. The removable pads on the jaw faces enable an adjustable width range of 70 to 75 millimeters, accommodating various materials. The milled jaws evenly distribute pressure, minimizing the risk of damage. Notably, the patented articulating hinge sets this vise apart, justifying its price tag of $60. Next, presenting the ultimate diamond drill bit, hailed as the pinnacle of speed and efficiency. This extraordinary tool revolutionizes dry drilling, eliminating the hassle of water cooling. Say goodbye to operator fatigue as this versatile wonder effortlessly tackles reinforced concrete. Available in a range of outside diameters from 42 to 150 millimeters and lengths of 300 and 450 millimeters, it caters to diverse drilling needs. The meticulously designed 320mm version stands out with its evenly spaced diamond grains and laser-welded segments. With unwavering confidence, the seller assures that it can conquer any surface. Prices for this remarkable diamond drill bit start at just $80, going up to $160 depending on the chosen model. Are you looking to take your work to new heights? An Italian company has just the solution for you. Introducing an electric hand truck that takes autonomy to the next level. With its adjustable center of gravity, this remarkable device comes in wheeled and tracked models, capable of carrying impressive loads of 150 to 200 kilograms. Measuring only 58 centimeters in width, it effortlessly maneuvers through narrow staircases. Climbing at speeds ranging from 27 to 47 steps per minute, its battery can conquer 400 steps without breaking a sweat. This innovative hand truck is a game-changer for appliance repair and delivery services, enabling a single person to effortlessly navigate stairs and transport heavy items like washing machines. However, this cutting-edge technology comes with a price tag of approximately $6,000, making it a substantial investment. Introducing an extraordinary device that will captivate mechanics worldwide, the Precision Yoke Extractor. Meticulously crafted for intricate operations involving car transmissions, drive shafts, and differentials, this innovative tool is destined to become an indispensable asset in the automotive industry. With its astounding pulling force of approximately 11 tons, it effortlessly tackles even the most challenging tasks while ensuring minimal risk of damage. The manufacturer proudly guarantees compatibility with renowned brands such as Volvo and Kenworth, as well as other Class 6 and 8 trucks. Made from premium-grade steel, this game-changing tool comes at a modest price of $500. Introducing a groundbreaking creation, the visionaries behind it present more than just a knife on your screen. This remarkable innovation unveils a cutting-edge 2-in-1 tool. With a patented mechanism, effortless transformation between a knife and a scraper is now at your fingertips. And that's not all. On the flip side, an added bonus awaits: a can opener tailor-made for paint cans. Behold, a truly versatile companion suitable for various tasks. Whether it's peeling off stubborn stickers or swiftly cutting through carpets, this tool excels. Accompanied by 5 universal blades, its lightweight design of approximately 300 grams ensures easy handling. The non-slip handle provides a secure grip, while a safety button guarantees worry-free usage. Introducing a new addition to the compact cordless tool lineup. This innovative nail gun is specifically engineered for concrete, steel, and masonry projects. Powered by gas fuel, it delivers exceptional performance. With just one magazine, you can effortlessly complete 30 shots, and a single charge provides an impressive 10,000 shots. Weighing a mere 3.4 kilograms, this tool's balanced design minimizes hand and wrist fatigue. Experience reduced vibration levels and virtually dust-free work, setting it apart from other methods. Operating flawlessly between -15 and 49 degrees Celsius, this nail gun maintains a noise level below 91 decibels. Own it now for just $855. Revolutionize your projects. Introducing a remarkable innovation that simplifies the task of finding studs, screws, and nails behind drywall. This ingenious tool harnesses the power of two rare earth magnets, offering unmatched convenience for installing cabinets and shelves with absolute precision. The standard version operates without any reliance on power, while the enhanced edition incorporates a laser function, powered by two AAA batteries. Both versions include a bubble level for precise alignment and handy notches for effortless pencil marking. These indispensable tools are now within reach, priced at a modest $11 or $30. Can you believe it? A wrench that can be patented. The creators of this brilliant tool have achieved the impossible, and everyone can admire their ingenuity. What's even better is that this revolutionary wrench is already on store shelves, ready to be appreciated by all. The concept behind this innovation is refreshingly simple. Unlike those bulky, inconvenient wrench kits that require constant swapping, this model boasts several remarkable features. With two designs covering nut and bolt sizes ranging from 7 to 14 mm and 13 to 20 mm, it offers versatility. Its six-sided grip, equipped with extendable clamping segments, not only prevents edge rounding but also conquers stubborn rusted nuts with ease. Plus, it comes in a universal size suitable for hands both large and small, accompanied by soft cushioned handles for utmost comfort. The confident salesman proudly proclaims it as a remarkable patented hybrid, combining the adjustable wrench's functionality with the user-friendly nature of a pair of pliers. These exceptional wrenches can be purchased individually for $33 and $35, or as a complete set for $65. Innovation at its finest. Introducing an innovative solution that revolutionizes the management of cable coils and conduits on site. When faced with the challenge of unwinding cables without spools, the CLOU system steps in as a reliable savior. This portable reel offers unparalleled flexibility and adjustability, catering to various needs. The standard model, weighing a mere 7.5 kilograms, is designed to accommodate a maximum diameter of 75 centimeters. For heavier loads, the XL model, weighing 9.5 kilograms, can handle coils up to a meter in diameter. Remarkably, both versions boast an impressive lifting capacity of 80 kilograms. Effortlessly assembled by a single individual, without the need for any tools, this compact system can be conveniently carried in its accompanying bag. Embrace the efficiency and convenience it offers, priced at a competitive $357. Introducing an exhilarating innovation by Bosch, the esteemed German company, and effortless cordless tacker, revolutionizing nail and staple work. This cutting-edge tool is a proud member of the 18V Power for All system, enabling battery interchangeability with other Bosch devices. Crafters and repair enthusiasts will appreciate its versatility. With its remarkable attributes, this tacker stands out: a user-friendly impact force adjustment through a simple knob twist, a handy charge indicator, and a staple level gauge. It accommodates up to 100 Type 53 staples, ranging from 6 to 14 millimeters, boasting an impressive speed of 30 staples per minute. Weighing merely 1.3 kilograms and sporting a compact design, it's a breeze to handle. Moreover, the intelligent sine Ian system deserves special mention, autonomously regulating the voltage ratio for optimal performance while conserving battery life. All these extraordinary features come at a price of only $124. Bicycles offer more than just a fun way to get around and beat traffic, they also drive a thriving global industry. In 2014, a staggering 132 million bicycles were manufactured worldwide, leading workshops to seek efficient tools. Enter the remarkable device on your screen, the spoke tension meter. This calibrated marvel eliminates the need for extra accessories, and its package includes a comprehensive table for easy assessment and adjustment of spoke tension. With its compact dimensions of 20.5 by 13 centimeters and lightweight design of 637 grams, mechanics can effortlessly operate it with one hand. Don't miss out on this invaluable tool, available for just $130. In 2017, DEWALT made a promise to develop a cordless brushless cable stripper, and they have now delivered on that promise. Available for purchase at various stores, this tool offers convenience and efficiency. With a standalone price of $85, customers also have the option to choose a comprehensive package priced at $462, which includes 20 bushings, a battery, a charger, and a carrying case. The DEWALT cable stripper is compatible with different cable types such as THHN and XHHW, commonly used in machine tools, control circuits, conduits, and supply lines. Its adjustable speed and rotation direction allow users to customize the stripping process according to their needs. Equipped with an e-clutch system, the tool effectively resolves jams and provides overload protection. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.